So we got some a new Lyre's product today. Aperitif Rosso.
Yep. And one of my favorites, Groovy Dry Secco. And we're going to combine the two into a nice refreshing spritz. It's a very simple, easy recipe. Lyre's Aperitif Rosso. Now you looked this up and saw some people's reviews about it.
Yeah, they were panning it as watered down and not particularly flavorful.
We can try it on its own if you want.
Oh.
It's got an interesting scent.
Yeah, really.
It is sweet.
Very. That's one of the things they said. It was very sugary.
It
Noticeable.
does have a nice orange flavor. It's not super strong, not super bitter. And then I'm going to add some dry secco. Now this, what is fascinating to me is the only thing that it's just white grape juice and citric acid. That's about it. Carbon dioxide, that's it. And it tastes amazing.
And the citric acid is going to give it some of that dryness, kind of.
It's very dry. I enjoy it. And then they say top it off with a little spring soda water. All right.
Love that orange.
Yep.
Super orangey.
It's pretty. Cheers.
Cheers.
Well, I'm enjoying that. That's a nice, refreshing orange.
Yeah, very
sparkly
orangey.
drink. It's on the sweet side.
I don't know if you need the Topo Chico. Like, I drank it just beforehand and it was still pretty good.
Yeah. I mean, it's refreshing. It's kind of just 2 notes, though. I'm going to add some old bitter to mine. I'm going to do one. If you ever want to add a little bit more complexity and depth to your drink, just add a little bit of that.
Wow, that's super yummy.
Right?
I like that.
Just, all right, maybe plugging you once again, all the better. Thank you for jazzing it up.
Now, I'm just going to say the reviews on the Lyre's Aperitif Rosso, not particularly good, somewhere around mid-3, 3.5. But people do love this Groovy Dry Secco.
I do.
So.
I really do. The price point for it is amazing.
And that's like $12 per 4
Yeah.
pack? All right. That is good stuff.
Yeah. Nice and refreshing. I like it.
All right.